Hey guys, today I'm going to show you Paula's extreme neck stretch. And as always, if you have a history of neck trouble, do check with your healthcare provider before doing this exercise. So this exercise is all about rotation. So the movements side to side of the neck. And these are often the first movements to go when we have problems with our neck. Things like the crick neck. So this is a great one to do. And it's also a really good exercise to do just as maintenance. So I do it as a part of my everyday morning routine. With this, you need to lie down on your front, and it's simply turning the head as far as you can, resting it down. Bringing the head back, turning it again, resting it down. Both the weight of your head combined with the turn and laying in that position. This is what's giving you a passive stretch whilst the muscles are relaxed. You need to look at it to get it. Take a look. So pretty intense, right? Now you'll notice I did a couple of things there. I turned the head back and forth several times. That's how you'd begin the exercise. You'd like to do about 4 reps, 4 to 5. That would be 1. That would be 2. About 5 is good, up to 10 when you're pretty advanced with this. You'll notice I put my hand under my cheek after, and that's the bit that's the extreme version, because what that does is it's taking the head a little bit beyond its furthest range of motion. This is what's going to help you improve your total range of movement. It's pretty advanced, so use this with caution. Do have a hot bath or use a hot water bottle to really relax the muscles. The other way that this could be used is simply turning the head and resting it and staying in the position for about 20 seconds. Come out of it slowly. You may need a bit of a neck rub, and turn the other way, and again, rest for about 20 seconds. So lots of different ways you could use that exercise. Let me know what you think about it. This is one of my personal favorites, and I do it every day. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you really soon. Bye-bye.